Today we are making cupcakes. Yay! So I'll go get the cupcake mix. Yes, I'm using mix. I'm not making it by scratch. And I'll get the cupcake mix, tell you what you need, and then get the ingredients and the dishes and stuff that we need. Here's the cake mix. It's French vanilla. So you need 1 cup water or milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And you need to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit for metal or glass pans. But for dark or non-stick pan, you need to you need to do 325 Fahrenheit or preheat it. So yeah, and we're making cupcakes. So here's the directions if you want to read them. Okay. Well, we need a bowl and some measuring cups, so I'll be back. There we go. Trace it there. We need eggs. Got the eggs. Vegetable oil. Hopefully we'll have enough. And water. A lot of stuff, and we need a whisk to mix it all. Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven. So the oven is preheating. We now need to put the cupcake liners in the pan. So we'll do that. Okay, so we're just going to use these 4 cupcake liners, and we'll do some mini cupcakes too. Don't have enough of those. But we have a couple of silicone ones, so that can go there. And we have these baby cupcake liners, so we'll now do a small pan. We'll do the small pan, and if we need the other small pan, we have it. Yeah, I'll put all the cupcake liners in, and then we'll start with the cake. Okay, the cupcake pans are lined, and now we have to do the cake. So first, we need 1 cup water. There, 1 cup water goes in the bowl. Don't know why I'm doing the liquids first. I normally do the batter first. Okay, then we need a half a cup of vegetable oil. You don't have enough oil. Have to use olive oil. We have olive oil. Okay, we're just gonna put this amount of oil on. Oh, the reaction to the water looks so cool. As much as you mix it, it doesn't combine. gonna topple over. Okay, now we're gonna add the cake batter. So let's see that. It's just a white cake batter. I'll open it and then we'll put it in. Okay, it's now open, so we're gonna put it into the oil and water mixture. There. Okay, then we need 3 eggs, but first we're gonna mix it up a little bit. We don't need to mix it up quite yet, but I'm going to. Okay, we're putting in the eggs now. Gonna mix each egg in. It's good to mix it together while you're doing each step. Okay, now the second egg.
You didn't run into a bush?
Kind of broke at the top. And we're gonna mix it in. The yolk would break. There. Okay, and then the last egg, and then we just gotta mix it. And then we'll start putting it in the pans. This one broke really awkwardly into multiple pieces. I now got egg whites all over me. That's all good. Okay, now we just gotta mix it in really well. The yolk would break. These yolks do not want to break. Like, break, please. You're gonna need to mix it really well. So I'll mix it and then I'll show you what the batter looks like. Okay, just a little bit more mixing and it should be good. You don't want to over mix it. What if I do this? And twist it. That mixes it, right? No, you can't not do that. You want to make sure you get all of it. All the powdery cake mix from the sides. That beeping is just the oven telling me that it's done preheating. So that means we've got to hurry up so that we don't waste power. Okay, I think it's pretty good. I'll get set up in a better angle and we can start putting it in the pans. Okay, we are using this ice cream scooper to scoop the batter in to the things. I don't like this ice cream scoop, but I don't know where the other one is. I couldn't find it, so we'll have to do. Try not to get Tracy all wet. This whisk is really in my way. Oops, I just made a big mess. Just a second. Okay, I found the better ice cream scoop. And all the stuff that's getting on the edges will wipe off after with a cloth or a paper towel. You want to try to make sure that there's an even amount in each one. that they don't take different times to cook. So before I do the mini ones, what I'll do is make sure all of them look even. I'll finish filling these 3 up, and then I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna even them out. I'll see you again in a minute. Okay, now we're gonna wipe off the stuff that's spilt on it with just a cloth with water on it. Just a little bit of water on it. So that it doesn't burn on it. Because when it burns on it, it's hard to get off. Okay, I got it off as best as I can. Now we'll do the mini ones and I'll be back. Okay guys, while I'm doing the mini ones, I'm actually going to put these ones in the oven. 12 to 17 minutes. We'll do 10 minutes. I'm just going to put it in with oven mitt on for the safety of myself. It's very hot, so you gotta be very careful. Ugh. Hot air. Okay, we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes and we'll fill up the small ones, and when I'm done all that, I'll be back. Okay guys, I decided before, actually I need to set the timer. Oops. Timer, 10 minutes. Start. Okay, we're just gonna wipe off the stove again. It's good to clean while you're doing it. I'll put away the eggs, and then I'll put the dishes away, and then we'll do the small ones. Okay, now we'll do this pan of tiny ones, and then if we need to, do the other tiny ones. So I'll do it, and then I'll be back. And by the way, there's 8 minutes left on the cupcakes that are already in. Okay, I put the small ones in the pans and ended up using 2 pans, and I forgot to record it. But we're now going to make some icing. I was going to make buttercream, but we don't have the stuff to make buttercream. But that will have to be in the second video. So I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.